On top inside Edo today, Swiss government don throway better salute give Edo state government on top their Ogbonge reforms and investment opportunities wey dem put for ground for Edo state. Switzerland ambassador to Nigeria George Steiner don tok say with the business reforms wey Obaseki don put for ground, Edo state now dey better position to attract Switzerland business community wey dey Nigeria come Edo to come do their business. The ambassador tok dis one for meeting wey him do with officials of Edo state government for Government House of Benin City. State government officials wey dey the meeting na Commissioner for Minerals, Oil and Gas, Honourable Joseph Ikpia, Commissioner for Wealth Creation and Cooperatives, Honourable Felix Akaboy, Senior Special Assistant on Top Investment Promotion and na him be the head of Edo State Investment Promotion Office, ESIPO, Kelvin Uwaibe, focal person for ease of doing business, Kenny Aliu, and focal person for Benin Enterprise Park, Deborah Okumbo, na follow do this meeting with Ambassador of Switzerland to Nigeria. The ambassador come talk say Switzerland government get big investment for Lagos and na there na Switzerland Nigeria business community and consulate general dey, and say as Edo state government take near Lagos and unto the Ogbonge transformation wey Governor Godwin Obaseki dey do for Edo state, e show say Edo state ready gidigba to attract Switzerland investors come. Steiner yarn am say the way Edo state government take dey throway body put on top infrastructure, power, urban renewal, housing and other Ogbonge sectors. This one shows say Edo state government ready to carry investors come Edo state make dem come invest. Ambassador Steiner say dem get consulate for Lagos with plenty business and say many of Switzerland investors dey into machinery, pharmaceuticals, nutrition and many other business. And as Edo state position dey good and development dey waka well, e go good make dem continue to make Edo state be better state, and Edo state government dey free to talk to their consulate for Lagos and Switzerland Nigeria business community so that dem go fit rub mind together make e for benefit dem well. Kelvin Uwaibe wey be the senior special assistant to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top investment promotion and wey still be the head of Edo State Investment Promotion Office, ESIPO, come talk say Edo State get plenty investment opportunity on top petrochemicals, natural gas, oil palm, cocoa, rubber, tourism and plenty other opportunities dey ground wey Edo State government don put make investors for fit come invest for Edo State. Now here we see this Ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Swiss government don throway Ogbonge salute give Edo State government on top how dem take dey do Ogbonge reforms for Edo State. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge update wey dey reach una so na T Live Media and I'm carry am come give una. And to get more of this Ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media. And una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia.com to get more Ogbonge tori.